Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. We welcome you to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. In this video, we are going to see the continuation of the lesson, The Thief's Story Written Where Ruskin Bond. Here, in this story, we have two main characters, that is Anil and Hari Singh. Anil is a freelance writer and Hari Singh is a thief. And that is not his true name actually. He makes friendship with Anil. Anil completely trusts him and employs him. Every day Hari Singh used to cook for him and he used to go to market and make a profit of 1 rupee. Anil knew about it but he did not mind it. One day he brought a bundle of note telling Hari Singh that he sold a book to a publisher and he got that money. He tucked under the mattress and now the thief Hari Singh is planning to get the bundle of note. So he is grabbing into the mattress and somehow he took the bundle of note and he is escaping out of the room. And that's where we need to start. When I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office. I had never bought a ticket in my life. Hari Singh, when he went to the station, he did not stop at the ticket counter at all because in his life, he did not get a ticket at all. So he straight away went to the station where the train was standing. But dashed straight to the platform. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. So as he planned, he wanted to catch the 10:30 train, that is Lucknow Express. So that train was about to move and he was very near to the train. He was about to board. The train had still to pick up speed and I should have been able to jump into one of the carriage, but I hesitated. So actually he should have boarded into one of the carriage, but he didn't do it. Something was preventing him from boarding into the compartment. For some reason I can't explain and I lost the chance to get away. So the train moved away, something was preventing him. Maybe the Anil's kindness would have prevented him from doing so. So he was standing alone, the train left off the station. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. Deserted meaning empty. There were no one on the station, he alone standing on the station because it was late night, 10:30. So the train left and he is alone standing. I had no idea where to spend the night. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help. He had the notion that to have a friend, because friend would be a trouble to him instead of help. So he didn't have any friend at all and did not want to make any curious by staying at one of the small hotels near the station. He don't want to stay in any one of the hotels near the station because he don't want to attract any curiosity among the people. So he was standing on the station. The only person he knew I knew really well was the man I had robbed. The only man he knew in that place was Anil, and from him he had stolen the money. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. So now he don't know what to do, how to spend the night. So he's slowly coming out of the station towards the bazaar. In my short career as a thief, I had made a study of men's face when they had lost their goods. The greedy man showed fear, the rich man showed anger, the poor man showed acceptance. So So he had in his short career, because he is only 15 years old, in his short career of as a thief, he had seen many people whom he had robbed. Greedy man would be, greedy man would show, the men would be, they would grieve because they have lost their money. The rich man showed anger. The rich man showed anger. The rich man, because they have lost the money, someone had robbed the money, because someone had robbed their money, they would feel anger. But the poor man would accept their loss. But now he is thinking about Anil's face, how he would react when he come to know about his money has been robbed by a boy whom he trusted more. Okay. When he discovered, but I knew that Anil's face when he discovered the theft would show only a touch of sadness, not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. Okay. So now he feels how Anil would feel when he lost his money. He thought that he would be feeling sad, because not because he lost the money, because he lost the trust on the boy whom he completely trusted him. I found myself in Maidan and sat down on a bench. Now he was walking through the bazaar, and now at last he came to a place. Maidan means park. I write the meaning here. He came to a park and he sat on a bench. The night was chilly. Chilly means it was very cold. It was early November and a light drizzle added to my discomfort. It was in the month of November, and the climate was very cold, and to add the climate there was a drizzle. Drizzle means light rain, slightly there was a slight rain, and it was discomforting him. Soon it was raining quite heavily. My shirt and pajama stuck to my skin, and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. Now the wind was blowing and the rain became little heavy. I went back to bazaar and sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. Clock tower you could see in this picture. He went to the clock tower and he took shelter there because it was raining heavily. The clock showed midnight. Midnight means 12 o'clock at night. I felt for the note. They were damp from the rain. So now he felt for the note which he kept in the string of his pajama on his waist. So he felt for it, and when he took that note, bundle of note, it was slightly wet. Damp means the note was slightly wet. Anil's money. Now as he saw the note, he said that the bundle of note belongs to Anil. In the morning, he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to cinema, but now I had it all. Now he is saying that in the morning probably Anil, he himself would have given him 2 or 3 rupees to go to cinema and watch. But now all the money he is having, Hari Singh is having in his hand. I could not cook his meals. Now he was thinking how the relation between Anil and himself. He is thinking now what usually the routine work he used to do. He used to cook for him, he used to go to market to buy daily groceries, and Anil would teach him how to write his name, or probably to write a sentence. All that now he is missing. Okay. I couldn't cook his meals. So now since he robbed Anil. Now he can't go back to Anil. Now he is thinking what all he would do. In the morning he would cook his meals, run to bazaar. Okay, he will go every day to bazaar to buy the food items for the day's cooking. Okay, and Anil would teach him how to write whole sentence. Okay, now he is missing. Now Anil would not teach him how to write a sentence because he robbed and he is out of Anil's house. So now he is thinking about, he is missing all those things. Okay, he thought that education would make him a good level in his society, but now that he robbed, he is missing that one. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of theft. When he robbed Anil, he forgot what Anil did good for him. Okay, in the excitement of robbing. Okay, he forgot what all the good things Anil did to him. Whole sentence. Now he is thinking the whole sentence he would have taught. Anil would have taught the whole sentence. Now he is missing it. I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. So he robbed only 600 rupees. If he had educated, if he know to write a whole sentence and be like an educated man, he would be respected by the society, and also he would earn more than this. It was simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. It's very easy to steal and get red-handed by others. So it's very easy, but to be a respectable man in the society is more than that. But to be really big man and clever, respected man, he wanted to be respected in the society, not a thief, but an educated man. Okay, was something else. So when he thought that he is going to be educated, he is going to learn how to read and write and add numbers, that was more than the deed which he did now. He robbed money from Anil. I should go back to Anil. Now he feels that he must go back to Anil, and told myself, if only learn to read and write. Why you want to get back to Anil? Because only to read and write. Okay. I hurried back to the room feeling very nervous. Now he is feeling very nervous because, why is he feeling nervous? Is because he has stolen the money. Now he wanted to keep it back in the same place. For that he is little afraid, fear. Okay. For it is much easier to steal something, very easy to steal, but to return it in the same place unnoted is very, very difficult. Something than to return it undeducted. It should not be noted by anyone. So stealing is very easy than to keep in the same place where it is where it was taken undeducted. That is more important. I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway, clouded moonlit. So now it was clouded because it was raining, isn't it? So now again he went to the doorstep and he was looking into the room. Anil was still asleep. Anil was sleeping still. Crept to the head of the bed. Now slowly he went closer to the bed where Anil was sleeping, and my hand came up with the notes. Now he took the notes from his pajama string there. I felt his breath on my hand. As he was keeping the bundle of note into the mattress, he felt the breath of Anil because he was towards him. I remained still because he was towards him. Might be any time he would wake up. For that he don't want to disturb Anil. So he is still for a while. Remained still for a minute. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the notes. Now quietly, silently, he put back the note into the mattress. I woke late next morning to find Anil had already made the tea. So now Hari Singh woke up little late, but before him Anil woke up and made the tea. He was having. I woke late next morning to find that Anil had already made the tea. He stretched out his hand towards me. There was 50 rupee note between his fingers. So as he was having tea, in between his fingers, he had a 50 rupee note and stretched towards Hari Singh. My heart sank. Now as he was Anil was giving the note to Hari Singh, he was feeling that might be he is deducted by Anil. I thought I had been discovered. So now Hari Singh feels that Anil would have found out that he had taken the money, robbed the money and kept it back again. I made some money yesterday, he explained. Now you will be paid regularly. Now Anil told that hereafter Hari Singh would be paid regularly because he is cooking for him, isn't it? For that he will pay him regularly, he said, and he gave him 50 rupees note to Hari Singh, saying that he sold a book yesterday and he is giving the money to him. My spirits rose, but when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. Now when he took the money from Anil, he felt the note was wet because it was dumped in the rain, isn't it? And he kept as such into the mattress and still the note is wet. Today, we will start writing sentences, he said. Now might be Anil would have deducted, Hari Singh feels that he would have deducted, but even then he didn't even utter a word, but he told that today he will start teaching him how to write a sentence. He knew Anil knew about the theft which was made by Hari Singh, and again how he kept back. Might be he would have known it, but in spite of that Anil did not say even a word, but instead he told him that that day he will be teaching how to write a sentence. But neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. Anil did not say even a word to Hari Singh. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way, and the smile came by itself without any effort. This time again, though he was deducted, he knew that Anil knew about theft of Hari Singh, but he can't do anything, he can't help it. Simply, genuinely he smiled at Anil. Okay. I hope you would have understood the story, children. Do subscribe our YouTube channel for further updates, children. Thank you.